Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bubba Tumbler is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who enjoys staying hydrated throughout the day, whether you're commuting to work, hitting the gym, or simply relaxing at home. This 32-ounce marvel promises to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours on end, making it a reliable companion for all your daily adventures and ensuring you never have to settle for a lukewarm drink again. Number 5. RAYMYLO 32 ounces Insulated Water Bottle. Experience your drinks at the perfect temperature for longer. Our advanced triple-wall vacuum insulation keeps beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours, ensuring every sip is just right. Never fear a spill again. With a full-seal leak-proof design, you can confidently take it anywhere. Enjoy quick sips with the straw lid or a steady flow from the spout lid, all while keeping your drink fresh. Equipped with an iconic paracord handle, this flask is ready for any adventure. It's not just a handle, it's a functional accessory for your outdoor pursuits. Prioritize your health and the environment. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, it's BPA-free and odor-free. The wide mouth makes refills and cleaning a breeze, while the powder coating ensures a secure grip. Your purchase includes everything you need: the bottle, a carrying pouch, versatile lids, and cleaning brushes. Plus, enjoy our commitment to customer satisfaction with continuous after-sales service. What we like. This bottle boasts triple-wall insulation for extreme temperature retention, keeping drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. It also features a unique paracord handle with a compass and carabiner, perfect for outdoor adventures. If you're an avid hiker or camper looking for a rugged and functional companion, this is the one for you. What people say. The lid is easy to clean and does not leak. Keeps drinks cold for 24 hours. Fits in car cup holders. Number 4. Bubba brand's classic insulated mug 34 ounces. Introducing the Bubba brand's classic insulated mug, your perfect companion for any beverage. It's designed to keep your drinks at the ideal temperature, whether hot or cold. Thanks to its dual-wall foam insulation, this mug maintains your drink's temperature for hours. Plus, it prevents condensation, so your hands stay dry. Built with tough and durable materials, it's made to last. The ergonomically designed handle with a soft touch grip ensures comfortable handling. Enjoy easy sipping with the convenient flip-top lid. It's designed for quick access and a mess-free experience on the go. To keep it in the best condition, please hand wash this mug only. It is not suitable for use in the microwave. With a large 34-ounce capacity, it's perfect for all-day hydration. Enjoy more of your favorite beverages without constant refills. What we like. This mug offers dual-wall foam insulation to maintain your beverage's temperature for hours, and it eliminates condensation. Its ergonomic handle with a soft touch grip ensures comfort, and the convenient flip-top lid makes for easy sipping. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use for your daily commute or at your desk, this is a great choice. What people say. The tumbler keeps drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. The handle is comfortable to hold and makes it easy to carry. The lid has a rotating cover that can be used with or without a straw. Number 3. C&Berg 30-ounce tumbler replacement lids. Ensure a perfect fit for your 30 ounces drinkware with a 3.75-inch inner rim. Just measure your tumbler to guarantee a snug and tailored fit for your replacement lid. Our silicone gasket creates a tight seal, significantly reducing leaks for a more secure drinking experience. Replacement gaskets are also available if needed. These replacement lids help minimize spills and splashes, keeping your table settings neat and protecting your linens and dining surfaces. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade material, this lid is designed for repeated use. It also helps maintain your drink's temperature between sips. For a thorough clean, simply remove the slider. This allows you to reach hidden residue, ensuring every sip feels fresh and clean. What we like. This is a pack of 3 replacement lids designed for 30-ounce tumblers. They feature a double-ridge rubber gasket for a secure fit and a removable slider for easy cleaning. If you're looking to replace worn-out lids or want to ensure a splash-resistant experience for multiple tumblers, this multi-pack is a practical solution. What people say. Keeps ice for 24 hours. The lid is leak-proof and easy to clean. Fits in my car's cup holder. Number 2. VUSIGN 40-ounce tumbler with handle. Introducing the VUSIGN 40-ounce tumbler, designed to be your perfect hydration companion. Keep your drinks at the ideal temperature all day long. Experience beverages that stay ice-cold for over 30 hours, or piping hot for extended periods. Enjoy your favorite drinks, from coffee to smoothies, just the way you like them. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and perfectly in most car cup holders. Take it with you to work, the gym, or on any adventure. Worry-free carrying is guaranteed with its 100% leak-proof lid, even with the straw removed. The included brush ensures easy and thorough cleaning of the stainless steel straw. With a large 40-ounce capacity, this tumbler holds ample beverages, reducing the need for frequent refills. Stay hydrated effortlessly wherever you go. Equipped with a non-slip silicone base, it stands steadily on any surface, preventing accidental spills. Enjoy peace of mind with its secure design. What we like. This large 40-ounce tumbler keeps drinks cold for over 30 hours thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation. It's designed to fit comfortably in both your hands and car cup holders, and features a non-slip silicone base to prevent wobbling. If you need a high-capacity option for long days or road trips and want to stay hydrated without constant refills, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The lid is very secure and doesn't leak. It keeps drinks cold for a very long time, even in hot weather. The handle is comfortable to hold and makes it easy to carry. Number 1. Bubba NBS 24-ounce tumbler 2-pack. This tumbler features a removable bumper. It adds a pop of color and provides a skid-proof bottom for stability. Take your drink anywhere with its portable design. It fits most cup holders, making it convenient for your daily travels. Enjoy your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. It keeps drinks cold for up to 18 hours or hot for up to 6 hours, without any condensation. The lid is designed for easy cleaning and versatile use. You can use it with or without the included plastic straw. Keeping it clean is a breeze. The lid, straw, and bumper are top-rack dishwasher safe, while the body should be hand-washed. What we like. This 2-pack of tumblers features a unique removable bumper that adds color and provides a skid-proof bottom. The vacuum-insulated stainless steel keeps drinks cold for up to 18 hours. If you appreciate a bit of style, convenience with dishwasher-safe parts, and want a matching set for yourself or a friend, these are a fun and practical option. What people say. The lid is easy to use and doesn't leak. It keeps drinks cold for a very long time. The tumbler fits perfectly in my car's cup holder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.